Rainy pitter-patter on the window frame. It's tapping out the questions that I can't name. Doesn't matter if I lie here wide awake, listening to every drop like it knows what I can't shake. Some nights the storm screams so loud, but I'm less alone here than in a crowd. Rainy pitter-patter, does it even matter? I like it when it goes faster and faster, drumming to a crescendo like the peak of this disaster. Thunder rolls low, a sound that feels too familiar. Lightning giving me a show, illuminating all the things I never know. I can't stay alone for much longer. I'm dying inside, so somber. I can't stand another day. Need to find happiness somewhere. Rainy pitter-patter, does it even matter? I like it when it goes faster and faster, drumming to a crescendo like the peak of this disaster. Maybe I crave the downpour, cause it sounds like what I feel. The chaos I can hear and see, a storm that's somehow real. Rainy pitter-patter, does it even matter? I like it when it goes faster and faster, drumming to a crescendo like the peak of this disaster. Does it even matter? I like it when it goes faster and faster, drumming to a crescendo like the peak of this disaster. When the storm breaks open, I break too, but at least the sky is honest when it turns this shade of blue. I don't have much hope left, my time is running through. Won't you come and save me, even though I don't know you? I watch the storm grow louder. Rainy pitter